This video is going to help you understand how to define a new clinic. There are two basic ways to define a new clinic. The first way is really simple. What you do is you copy an existing clinic. So with just a couple of clicks, you're able to create a new clinic. So I'm going to demo this. Go to Admin Functions, Copy an Event. Select the clinic you want to copy, the name of the new clinic, and what is the first event date. So we're going to say 2019 08 25. Now that's the first clinic date. That's not the first setup date. That's the first day of the clinic. So everything from the one you're copying will be relative to that date. So if you're copying a 4-day clinic, it will create a 4-day clinic. If you're copying a 1-day clinic, it'll create a 1-day clinic. And it copies all the parameters, all the assignments, all the maximums, all the starting times, everything. And then you just click copy, and it's that fast. It has copied the clinic and set up everything and all the assignments. Now, if you want to create a clinic from the beginning, just without copying a clinic, you would first go to Admin Events, then click Add a New Clinic. So let's put in the clinic name. Clinic 45, short name. And the address will be contact email. Contact phone. Now this will be the contact phone that may go out in text messages and emails if you so determine that you want to send that information. So this would be contact information for that particular clinic. Who should volunteers call? Where should they call? So it can be different for each clinic, of course. The event URL, if you have a specific URL that talks about that particular assignment, set of assignments, that clinic, you would put that in here. Are you going to allow waiting list processing? Yes. Is registration open? Not yet. I'm still setting this up. Special admin code. You'll have to check the manual for how that is used. But let's say, and local event times. So you can have these clinics in any part of the world, and this is the time zone for your reports. So as things are recorded, you will be able to display reports based in the local time zone of the clinic. Success message is usually, let's say, the success text, text successful registration, success email. You select this one. This is always the one you want. Send calendar attachments. When a volunteer signs up, you can, with the email that they get, you can insert calendar attachments so that they can click on it and put it right into their calendar, either on their smartphone or an Outlook or something. And a success page, registration, successful registration page, waiting list email. Let's see, that one. And automation exclude, no. So you can have certain kinds of automation with these events, with these clinics. So if you can send out automatically reminders, automatic thank yous at the end of it, automatic orientations for the dentists, and all that kinds of automation. Do you want to exclude this event from that type of automation? Do you want this thing to show up in the mobile app? And click yes, if so. And then if you also have the Spark patient system, you can connect it to a patient system. All right, so let's go ahead and save that. Now go to the bottom of the screen and let's enter the days. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a 3-day clinic. It's going to be set up on the 15th. Let's say setup. On the 16th, it's going to be a clinic day. And on the 17th, it's going to be a clinic day. And on the 18th, it's going to be a clinic day. So now we've defined our event. What we need to do now is associate assignments with that clinic. So let's go over to event assignments. We're going to say clinic 45, which we just defined. And dental, here are all the dental assignments possible. We're going to need some dental assistants, a dental director, a dental equipment tech, some dental hygienists, and a dental sterilization lead, some others, dental students. Yeah, we'll have some dental students there. X-ray technician would be nice. Restorative surgery, triage, and some dentists are willing to do anything. So let's associate all of those with our new clinic. Then we're going to click Create Assignments. Now all those assignments are automatically associated with this event. The system knows which days are full clinic days and which days are setup days. And if you have set up all of these assignments with the correct defaults, then all of the assignments are filled in automatically correctly. So for example, let's look at a restorative dentist. If you click Edit, you can see that they are only required on the clinic days. They are not required on the setup days. All right, let's add some more event assignments. Let's say for this event, Clinic 45, you want some general, let's go to vision next. We're going to get dispensing. We want the dispensing assignments, optical lab, pre-testing. You want a vision director. You want somebody to help handle the refractions. And those are the assignments you want at your clinic. Click here. Assignments are all filled in. Let's go to, now let's add the general support. Let's see, food prep. Let's have some food prep people there and somebody to lead that. We want some interpreters. And we need some for the early morning line. You need some IT support people. We need patient line, records processing. We need some people to do that for us. Patient registration, we need that. Patient registration lead. And we need some volunteer check-in people. All right, so let's associate those with our assignment. And now they're associated. And if the defaults are set up correctly, the numbers that we need are all correct. The days that we need are all correct. And you have to find your new clinic. The last step is to go back into the events, edit your new clinic, and open up registration. Save it again. Now you've got registration open. And if we go into one of the volunteers, this is the registration screen for the volunteers. They should see our event now. Clinic 45, there it is. This volunteer is this volunteer is a general support person. So you can see that we have, remember we we connected attachments, we attached assignments for food prep, interpreter, and so on. So they can select these things on setup day, IT support. And they can select, submit, and there you are, and they're assigned. So that's how you create a new clinic from either from scratch or by copying an assignment.